The new concept of IPAN Anaerobic and Hypoxic Workstation. Total leadership. Directional airway convection technology. Avoid the accumulation of air mass in the intercavity. Improve intracavity uniformity. Cyclone transfer gate technology. Completely remove outside air interference. Reach a stable environment faster and more thoroughly. Multi-dimensional purification. The ultra-purification system traps 0.12 micron particles by 99.9999% of the ultra-high efficiency filter, with ultraviolet radiation disinfection. At the same time, it supports alcohol wiping and disinfection. Achieve an ultra-clean internal environment. Electric adjustable shading screen for no light experiment. Environmental simulation wide area. Temperature regulation, heating, and cooling dual components. The temperature in the control chamber is 25 to 48 degrees Celsius. Easy to achieve gas in situ detection. Precise control of the required experimental environment. Ultra-fast sample transfer. Large capacity, main cavity. It can hold 810 Petri dishes. The IPAN offers a new perspective on life.